crafty peeps, how are you? My name is Amy and I am with Hopeful Designs Chalks and More. Thank you so much for being here today. So excited to be here and craft with you this afternoon. Thank you for joining Connect and Craft. It's National Craft Month, and as you probably have already seen, or if you're catching the replay, do hashtag replay and you'll be able to see that there's 10% off until 11:59 tonight. So get with your creator if you're looking to save some money. So what are we gonna make today? I'm super excited. We are going to make the wood bunny trios, but I wanted to highlight, super excited about Craft Club, and a creator showed you earlier today, Craft Club. And what's cool about it, when you join Craft Club and purchase stencils, you can reuse them. So we're gonna reuse the Craft Club stencils so that you get the most that you can. And hi everybody, I'm sorry if I'm not keeping up with comments, but I will. So we are going to get started, and I picked 3 colors. They're all our new colors, so Dusky Blue, Peachy Keen, and Vintage Sage. So I would just get going with however you want to start, and however, you know, whichever way you want to do it. That's the beauty of crafting, is you can do whatever you want. So out of these 2 stencils, this one's my favorite. So we're going to use 2 with this stencil and 1 with this stencil. Okay, so let's get started. I already opened up my containers because, as you, if you don't already know, but you probably do, but you want to cover your stencil up or cover your paste up because you don't want it to dry out. So just gonna put this on here. I think you can see. There we go. All right. Rub it on so you have no bubbles. Just like that. Awesome. Take your squeegee in your Vintage Sage or whatever color you'd like to use, and literally just put it on. How easy peasy is that? Love it. So thinking about crafting, what are some of your favorite colors that you're seeing this season? I am in love with this Dusky Blue. And then of course everything all pastel. That's always fun when it gets to be this season and all the light colors, all the pastels come in. So once you've gotten it all covered, you're gonna peel and reveal. Super cute, right? Then you're gonna set him aside. We're gonna set this away so we can put that in our handy dandy water so that it doesn't dry. Cover that and go on to the next one. Peachy Keen, Peachy Keen. Know what I'm thinking? Okay, so I didn't plan appropriately. All of a sudden, see, I'm new, right? Like, this is the fun part about crafting. You can be silly and go, oh, guess what I didn't think of? It'll be a different color if I use the same stencil and I don't wash it. So we're gonna do Peachy Keen first, and then our Dusky Blue is gonna be a combination of Dusky Blue and Peachy Keen. So who knows? That's gonna probably be amazing too. Okay guys, I don't know where y'all are, but I'm in Illinois, and normally this time of year it's really nice, and we just got snow flurries. Not sure what that's all about, but I guess it's still technically winter in the Midwest, right? Don't forget to fill out the Google form so you can win a prize perhaps, and thank you again for being here. And if you have questions, get with your creator. If you don't have one, you can go on the website and find one in your area or one that you love watching craft. Peel and reveal, friends, shall we? Peachy Keen. Okay, so like I said, I didn't plan totally appropriately because of the colors. So we'll wipe some of that off. All right. On our fuzz cloth, which is a step I also realized I just didn't do, but I had used them earlier to make these, so I had fuzzed them. But you do want to fuzz your stencils. If you don't have a fancy fuzz cloth, either you can get one or use your clothes. That works as well. All right. Actually, we got to come down a little. The other thing I love about these stencils is they're pretty forgiving, and they're so durable. And also, while we're on here, I just want to say thanks to Magnolia, Lisa and Crystal and Kathleen for being so supportive of this community. It's really a treasure to have that. It's really a great community to be involved in, this Magnolia and the crafting and all the creators and crafters that you find yourself with. All right, friends, dusky blue. I know I'm partial to blue, but it's just such a great color. All right. Peel and reveal this one because it's going to be a tad bit of a mixture. A little bit of peach through there, but not bad. Super cute, right? Love it. So, chalk does dry pretty fast, but since we only have so much time together, thank goodness for aprons, friends, because I am that girl that, as you can see, I wipe. Okay, so if you don't have a fancy dryer, I've seen some great dryers out there, use your hair dryer. So we're going to dry it a little bit, and then we're going to put some bows on. On the areas where it's pretty tacky, that may be where I got a little heavy-handed. If you're used to like stamping or something like that, or anything else, you can be a little heavy-handed. Try not to do that, but it's all good. Okay, which ones are your favorite color? Which one's your favorite so far? Sorry about that. All right. So the wooden trios come with this jute ribbon, which I think is really cute, but I also am partial to raffia, and I also got some lace at the Dollar Tree. I know everybody the Dollar Tree just really has some great, really great, I need my scissors, so sorry. They have some neat stuff that you can use. All right, so we're gonna use see if we're dry. Pretty dry. So obviously if you're gonna do more with them, you wanna give it some dry time, a little bit more than what I just did, but it's no fun to listen to my hair dryer, right? Raffia is pretty forgiving. You can kind of do just about anything with it. There's really no... That's the other thing I love about creating. There's really no right or wrong. I mean, I am kind of a... It is hard to... When you feel like you're making a mistake, even though there really isn't a mistake in crafting for the most part. At least... we do a bow or should we do a knot? What do you think? A bow or a knot? Not long enough for a bow. All right. So see, sometimes you gotta improvise. I do love it. Okay, what do you think? Super cute. Put him here. And maybe on our peachy keen friend, we'll do some raffia, a little bit longer raffia so we can actually make a bow. Thanks for the hearts, friends. You know what? Let's use the jute. That will look cool. What's your favorite? Do you like the natural stuff? Do you like to use ribbon? What's your favorite? The swirls are great, aren't they? All right. Let's get some ribbon in here too. Where do I get my raffia? Actually, I got this at Walmart. And you can get it at Hobby Lobby. You can get it, actually, I think I've seen some at the Dollar Tree too. You can get it anywhere, really. Walmart, craft stores, Michael's, Joann's. Those are some of the stores that I have near me, but obviously I'm in Illinois in the Midwest, so. Yeah, isn't that funny? We all kind of like them all. Like, really depends on what you're doing, but we like it all. We love it all. All right, we're gonna make a bow. Kind of can catch up on some comments. Okay, what do you think? Yeah, the dusky blue is beautiful. All right, so we'll put him there. And then we'll put the green one in the middle just because we're gonna do raffia for him or her. Do raffia. And if I'm missing your comments, which I probably am, I'm so sorry, but I will come back to you all, and I thank you so much for being here. I've seen so many great projects today. It's so exciting. Let's do ribbon and raffia. How about that? There we go. That's the other thing too, like raffia and the jute ribbon is so forgiving. Like if you, maybe, I'm not the greatest bow maker by any means. I mean, I'm learning, and some days some are better than others for sure. But I definitely love the elements that you can use that are a little more forgiving and allow you to be a little less perfect maybe. So on this bunny, since he has his little tail, you could also, I should have, what do you think? Super cute. Oh, we're frozen. I'm so sorry. I hope we're not frozen. Anybody else having a hard time? So here is our bunny trio. And then you could put them in a tiered tray. Oh boy, that's awkward, sorry. Put them in a tiered tray. You could put them next to some other decor, kind of on a shelf somewhere. Set them near your book stack if you have one. If you don't have a book stack, you need a book stack. Tons of things that you can create. Thank you so much. I still have a little bit of time. The other thing we can do real quick, I got one of these. That went a little bit faster than I was hoping to. I also have made these little stuffies with felt. Could set them next to that on your tiered tray even. Oh, that's what I was thinking. So how this one has a bunny bottom, you could put a little cotton ball there or something else for his little behind. So you have so many options that you can use for your craft club and reuse your stencils, and then make sure that you wash them and get them in water so that you can reuse them as many times as you can. And just wanted to say thank you so much for being here. Next up, you're going to see Tracy Davis. Watched several of her lives, and she's with Tracy's Crafty Creations, and she's really great. So please tune in and see her if you can. I look forward to seeing you all again, and I can't wait to catch up and go back and watch all the comments and answer any questions. But don't forget to take advantage of the 10% off while it is still happening, and don't forget to enjoy crafting, because that's what it's all about. Thank you so much for being here. Have a great evening.